Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are gonna look how we can disable the listing update notification on Tool4seller app. For that, just open the Tool4seller app. So after opening the app, here we need to go to the me option or our profile option on the bottom right corner. Just tap on it. Just tap on the bottom right corner, and here we need to go to the notification setting option. We can see in the right side of the manage marketplaces option, we can see the notification setting option. Just tap on the notification setting option. So here we can see the listing update notification right there. Just tap on the listing update notification, and here we can see the all stores option. You can see the just tap on it. So this is how we're gonna disable the listing update notifications on Tool4seller app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.